What's up, my good people? Welcome, guys. That is to Elite Analysis Tool. This is a derivative analysis tool. And in our today's video, I'll actually be demonstrating on how you can actually be able to trade markets like under 9, under 8, under 7 using autodream V1, V2, V3. The V1 trades under 9, V2 trades under 8, and V3 trades under 7. All these three robots, all these three versions, that is of autodream recovers with that is under 5. Yeah, so let's get down to the business. So I'll actually be demonstrating that is on a demo account because this video will be a bit long, and if I happen to demonstrate on a real account, that is when I'm still explaining how you're supposed to engage this market, I may lose money by the end of the day. So when it comes to trading, like I need to analyze the market and get down to trading. But now I have to go bit by bit explaining on how you need to go about it. But in case you want to watch that is videos on which I have traded on live account, you can just check out on these accounts. This is just a long video for demonstration on how you go about it. But in case you just want to verify that the strategies are working, you just need to check the other videos that I have actually uploaded on this account. Yeah, so this is just okay, this is just a summary video. I'm trying to explain on how you can actually be able to trade using what you call I use Erite analysis tool, that is to trade over and under market using a robot called autodream V5. So for those who are new on this on Erite analysis tool, this is where we actually get the free robots. Yeah, I already demonstrated on how to use Marketera. You can actually check out the video on how to trade using Marketera version 1, version 2, version 3, and version 4. And in our today's video, I will be demonstrating on how you can actually be able to trade using this robot, which has three versions, which we call the Auto Dream, where we have a version 1 which trades under 9, a version 2 which trades that is under 8, and a version 3 which trades under 7. When it comes to market analysis for this specific robot, I say this robot recovers the moment you make a rocks, it recovers with under 5. Yeah, so how do you analyze the market using a right analysis tool? So how you analyze the market for all these three versions is just all the same, because we just need to analyze the recovery market, which is that is under 5 market. So we must make sure the analysis under 5 market is perfect, so that the moment we lose a trade on under 9 or even under 7 or even under 8, we can easily recover that is on under 5. How do we go about it and how do we analyze the market? Let's get down now to the serious business. So I just want to open to that is 3 tabs here so that I can actually be able to demonstrate all these. So for on this side, I'll just use let me just use autodream V3, which trades at a 7 with a recovery of under 5. So that so the moment you just load the robot, so in case you want to access the Erite analysis tool, you can just click the link in the video description, or you can just go to your browser and search for eritretraders.co.ke. You can also check out the link in the video description. So the first thing you do before you get to market analysis, make sure you first of all load your bot and set up your stake. I will be using a stake of 5, win stake of 5, expected profit of $20. Your target profit should always be 4 times your stake, and I'll use a stop loss of $100. Yeah. The maximum losses that I have actually set up is 6 consecutive losses. Although we can't get there, because that's the reason why we are doing analysis, so that we can be able to reduce the number of consecutive losses. Even if you happen to make a loss, you can instantly recover. How do we go about it? So just get to the analysis tool, and there are some stuff that we need to take into consideration. So all you need to do is just click the analysis tool and click the tool. Then you can actually see by that is the moment you click the tools, you'll find yourself on the circles. So just click the circles and go to Erite analysis like that. Then because we are trading over and unders, just switch the market and go to over and unders. and you can actually see we have volatility 51s. We can start from volatility 10 1s, that is to check for the market. So if you check here, you can actually see it's out of 1,000 ticks, so we need to switch these ticks to 150. You can use 150 or you can use 250. The reason why we are actually switching to that is a smaller number of ticks is so that we can be able to get the market reaction that is on real time. So the next thing we need to do is just click digit 5 here, because the robot is actually, I say the robot recovers with under 5 markets. So when you are trading that is under 5 market is a 50-50 chance market. So when you are trading in this market, the under market should be at least 55% and above, 55% and above. So we need to switch these volatilities until we find a volatility which is 55% and above. So after we get the volatility, we'll go to the candles for market confirmation and use the circles, that is to actually get what you call the entry points. Yeah. So in case when you are trading something like under 7, when you are trading under 7, your entry point is digit 7, 8, and 9. The digit with the highest percentage, we will use it as our entry point. In case you are trading under 8, digit 8 and 9 should be used as your entry point. So the digit the highest percentage between 8 and 9 will be your entry point. In case you are trading under 9, your entry point should be digit 9. Okay. So let's try get a volatility that is 55% and above. Let's see, this 48, this 50 is 50%. Yeah? 75 1s is 47, and 100 1s is 46. So I think the first volatility 10 1s was way more better. You can actually see it's around 54, 53, but it's supposed to be around 55% and above. But since this is just for demonstration, currently the market is not so good. We need to have under 5 markets more than 55%. So what we need to do is, now we can just use this volatility, that is for demonstration on how you should actually do it. And specifically for these robots, I prefer to trade using the 1s volatilities. Okay, since I can see the market is changing, let me try see if I can get a better volatility. Okay, I think 51s is better. So just come here and change and switch to 51s. The next thing we do is we need to get the entry point. So switch to the circles and this for 51s. And since we are trading under 7, our entry point will be digit 7. Now let's go to the that is the candles. So to access the candles, you just need to click the chart. The charts are just next to the tools. Yeah, click charts. And on these charts, we'll actually confirm if the market is on a fall, and you can actually see the market is on a rise. So you can either wait for this candlestick to rise and start trading with the retest. Yeah, you can start trading with the retest. So all you need to do the moment you confirm the market, you can actually see currently the market is on a rise, but it should be on a consistent fall. So just click there, and our entry point is digit 7 since we already confirmed on the other side. Then click run. So the robot will actually scan for the entries. So you really don't have to stay on the chart and wait until digit 7 is starts for you to start running your bot. All you need to do is just enter your entry point, and the robot will scan for the entries. The moment digit 7 is started, the robot will automatically start. Then as you trade here, you have to wait the moment this market start rising. Since we are trading under market you should trade with a foreign candlestick. So in this kind of a market, the moment the candlestick starts rising, you are supposed to exit the market. Yeah, you are supposed to exit the market. You can also exit the market after hitting, that is your target profit. You can actually see we have hit a loss and the market is on a rise. The moment we recover, we are supposed to leave the market. But the good news is that we have already hit our target profit. Yeah, so that was actually a good trade. So let me repeat again how you analyze the market specifically for AutoDream V1, V2, and V3. So either, okay, how do you choose the volatility, the version that you'll actually use? Will you use a V1, V2, V3? Okay, so when it comes to the market analysis, the first thing I said you consider, you need to go to the tool. Yeah, the moment you go to the tool, switch to rate analysis and go to over and unders. Then here we need to switch to 150 ticks. Then here we should be on under 5. This market should be 55% and above. Under market should be 55% and above. Yeah. The next thing you do after you spot that is an entry, you need that is to go to the circles. So just switch to the circles. In case you're on error analysis, just click there and go to the circles. And since we are trading under 7, this robot is specifically for under 7. The version that I'm currently using was under 7 version. In case you are doing under 8, that means your entry point is digit 8 and 9. But in this case, since I was actually trading using under 7, so my entry point will be digit 6. That is 7, 8, and 9. The digit with the highest percentage will be my entry point, and in my case, I use digit 7 as my entry point because it was the digit that had the highest percentage. The 7 had the highest percentage. After confirming my entry point, the next thing I did was to go to the charts. So just next to the tools, just click the charts, and this is about 51s. So this is a candlestick that I actually use to trade. So the candlestick, since I said in any market, whenever you are trading any under market, make sure the candlestick is on a fall. So it can be a red candlestick that is on a fall, or a green candlestick that is retesting. All in all, that is a fall. Yeah, that is for any under market. For any over market, make sure the market is on a rise. So it can be a green candlestick that is on a rise, or a red candlestick that is retesting. That is an automatic rise. Then after you spot such a market, like for example in this instance, the next thing you do is click run. Then the robot will actually prompt you for an entry point. So just key in digit 7, which we were using as our entry point, and just run the robot. So it's actually that simple. So the moment this robot spots an entry, the moment digit 7 is hit, or the ticker goes to digit 7, for example in this case, the robot will automatically start. Additional consideration, some more consideration that you may do, that just to improve your trade and make have some more wins. For example, when you are trading, you can consider the green bar to be on digit 0, 1, 2, 3. So whenever it falls in either of these position, I mean 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, it's always fine. Or in case you don't have the green bar on these 4 positions, then it means you can have also the second most appearing on these 4 position. So the most appearing digit or the second most appearing digit, both of them can be on digits below 5. All either of them can be on digits below 5. Either way, it's actually fine. Yeah. Then just try to avoid, in case the green bar is not on digit 0, 1, 2, or 3, or 4, make sure it's not on digit 7, 8, or 9, so that at least so that the green bar will not be attracting the ticker. These are the ticker that is actually moving from one digit to the other. So all you need to do is just visit RI Traders Analysis tool, and you'll be in a position to actually access this robot. So I actually traded with a version 3. Yeah, this is a more risky market because you are trading under 7. In case you want that is a less risky market. In case you want a less risky market, at the same time you don't want to trade at a 9, you can trade at a 8. In case you are that person who fears losses, the moment you see a loss you start panicking, you can just go for under 9. The only problem when you are trading under 9, you have to stay in the market for some time, because the payout for under 9 is a bit low. So if you want an average payout, just go for V2. And in case you are that person who is not afraid of the moment you see a loss, you don't panic, you can just go for the autodream V3, which trades under 7. For this one, you just take a few contracts, then you are out of the market. For example, in this case, we took how many contracts? 13 contracts, 12 wins, and only 1 loss. The reason why I decided to do this video that is on a demo account is because when you are demonstrating on a demo, on a real account, I wouldn't be in a position to explain all this, because first of all, I need to analyze the market and take the trades so that I don't lose that is the money. But when I'm doing it on the demo, I have all the time, I can explain everything I want. That is when I'm not in a hurry. But in case you want to watch videos that I have actually traded with this robot on a real account, all you need to do is just that is check out other videos that I have actually done that is on this account. Yeah, so that's all I have for today, guys. Goodbye.